Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Hari Om. So we saw Akto Dirgho Yin. We saw the Lat Lakara Rupas for Bhudhatu in Parasmai Pada. Bhudhatu is in Parasmai Pada, so we saw the Parasmai Pada Rupas for Bhudhatu in Lat Lakara. Bhavati Bhavatah Bhavanti, Bhavasi Bhavatha Bhavata, Bhavami Bhavavaha Bhavamaha. That is the form for you in Lat Lakara. Now, after that, Lat Lakara, we have to enter Lat Lit. We have to go to Lit. Bhu plus Lit. Bhu plus Lit. But we know from the Prayoga, Lakara, Likara, Lukara, like that, we had it to it. La, li, lu, le, like that. So from that we know it is Lat. But why will Lat come? Lit come here? For what reason you use Lit? If Lat itself is Bhavati, Bhavata, Bhavanti itself is good enough for you to use in any land, any place, why do you need a Lit Lakara? For that, the next sutra comes and says, Parokshe Lit. Parokshe Lit. Parokshe Saptami Lit Prathama. Parokshe is Saptami because it should be in Paroksha Artha. In that meaning, if you say it is Saptami. So, Paroksharthe Dhatu will get a Lit Lakara. Paroksharthe Dhatu Lit Lakara. We just added Lit to it. Now, Paroksharthe. This is a very tricky thing. Paroksha means that is beyond your grasp of sense organs is Paroksha. Aparoksha means that which is there directly, that is specific directly. Okay? So, Paroksha means that which is beyond your grasp. Beyond your grasp can be in the past or future. Can be in the past or future. Even there, in the past, it can be of different kind of past. Like within 24 hours, before 24 hours, to our birth point, or even before that, maybe in the mythology somewhere it is said, during the period of rishis, it is done, it happened. We don't know all those things. In Ice Age, they say, we don't know what happened in that period. So, those kind of things which you hear from the Shruti or the lore, the myth, that is also Paroksha. What kind of Paroksha we are talking about here? Anadyatane. So the sutra says, the vritti says, Anadyatane. Anadyatane Paroksharthe dhatu lit syat. With the dhatoho, with the dhatu, Anadyatana means, Adyatana means today, not of today. The Paroksha is that which is not of today, before 24 hours. Whatever happened, for that you use Lit. So we have Bhu plus Lit. At this point, we have all the sutras. Halantyam, Upadeshe, Aj Anunasika It. We have Bhu plus Lakara. In this Lakara place, you will bring in Bhu plus Ti. Bhu plus Tip. Right? Because we are doing Parasmai Pada. For Parasmai Pada, Bhu plus Tip. Okay? At this point, next sutra comes and says, Parasmai Padanam Nallatus Usthal Atustha Nalvamaha. Parasmai Padanam Sashti. Parasmai Padanam, I'll break it and write Nal Atus Us. Atus Us. Thal Atus Thal Atus. Nal Va नल्लतु स्थल्लतु स्थ परस्मैपदानां नल्लतु स्थल्लतु स्थ नल्वमः थल्लतु not tha, it is nalvamaha. So for the parasmaipada, this is in first case. This is in first case, nalvamaha, first bahuvachana. So parasmaipadana, for the parasmaipada, in the place of tip tasji, you will have nal, athus, us, etc. respectively. So for tip, this is prathama, this is madhyama purusha, this is uttama purusha, ekavachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana. Okay, for null we will bring in tip. No, for tip we will bring in null. So we have bhu plus null. Bhu plus null. Null is anekal, therefore it will come in the sampurna sthana. For tip you will bring in null, and this is not asking you to not just anekal, this is not asking you to bring it as an agama, it is asking you to bring it as a replacement for all that. So you will have to bring in null. Now null, bhu plus we have hal goes halantyam. Halantyam, lakara is dropped. Then chutu. Not lashakva taddite, chutu, tatha dadha na. So that also goes. So we have bhu plus a. Bhu plus a. At this point we have another sutra. Bhuvo lunglito bhuvaha bhuvaha vuk lunglitoho. Lunglitoho. Bhuvaha for bhu dhatu sashti. Vuk agama takes place prathama. Lunglitoho when lung and lit follows 7. So the sutra says for bhu dhatu when followed by lung and lit, lung/lit, what happens? Bhu dhatu gets uk agama. Uk agama. Uk is kit. Because of kit, where will this come? For bhu dhatu, where it will come? Adyantau takitau. Because of adi antau tit kitau, this is kit, therefore it will come in the end. So the sutra adyantau takitau, applying the sutra adyantau takitau, we have bhu plus uk plus bhu plus vakara plus null. No, null we brought bhu plus vakara plus a. Bhu plus vakara plus a. In book halantyam, who is upadesha janunasthita, we have only vakara. Kakara goes halantyam. Ukara upadesha janunasthita, we only have vakara left. So bhu plus a. At this point we have next sutra, liti dhatoho anabhyasasya. Liti dhatoho anabhyasasya. Liti is a e, liti saptami. Dhatoho can be either chashti or saptami. Liti saptami dhatoho can be either Shashti or Saptami. We will have it now. Anabhyasasya. Anabhyasasya Shashti. So, Dhatoho, Anabhyasasya Dhatoho. This will also be Shashti. Visheshna Visheshya. Okay? So, this is not Dhatoho liti. Lit cannot have Dhatu. Lit cannot be Dhatu. So, when lit follows, for the Dhatu, what kind of Dhatu? Anabhyasasya Dhatu. Dhatu which does not have Abhyasa. What is Abhyasa? We don't know. For that, we have to go to the next sutra really. Purvo Bhyasaha. Sutra says Purvo Abhyasaha. Purvaha. So, liti dhatu anabhyasasya. Sutra says anabhyasa dhatu plus lit. Something will happen here when anabhyasa dhatu is followed by lit. But before understanding what is abhyasa, purvaha abhyasaha. Purvaha abhyasaha. Prathama Sanya Sutra. So the sutra says Dvitve Purvaha Abhyasa Sanya. In the Dvitva, when you double something, when you copy paste, at that point of time, what happens? The first one, when you copy and paste, you have 1 plus a lit. So this and this are copy paste. This first one will get the name Abhyasa. Now, before Dvitva, Abhyasa has not happened. So we have not done any Dvitva here. There is no Abhyasa. So this sutra says, if the Abhyasa has not taken place, you have to do Abhyasa. You have to do Abhyasa. Abhyasa of what? The complete word? Or is it something else? We don't know. What should be the Abhyasa? Wow. What part should I take for Abhyasa? For that, the Vritti says, Ekacho Dvestaha Pratham. What is this? Liti pare, when the lit follows, Anabhyasa Dhatu Avayavasya. The Anabhyasa Dhatu Avayava, the Dhatu part which has not got any Abhyasa Dvitva, for that, Ekacha Prathamasya Dvestaha. Ekach of Prathama will get doubled. Ekach will get the first Ekach will get doubled. Dvesaha Adibhutat Achaha Parasetu Dvitiyasya. If the Ach is the first character, then Dvitiyasya, the second part will get doubled. We'll come to the second part. Now we have Ekach, one Ach. So this one Ach will get doubled. So we have Bhu Abhyasa Dhatuhu Ekach Dve. I'll just do Ekach Dve. I am Dvitva. I just say Dvitva. Dvestaha. I'll say Dvitva for Ekach. Plainly. We'll come to the second part later. Now, Bhu Dhatu and Ekach. I'll have Bhu plus Bhu plus A. Bhu plus A. Bhu, I have done Abhyasa. And this part is called Abhyasa. This first part is called, when I have done Dvitva of Bhu Dhatu, this first part is called Abhyasa. What will happen to the Abhyasa? There he says, Haladi Sheshaha. Haladi Sheshaha. Hal Adihi Sheshaha. Hal Adihi Sheshaha. Hal Adihi Sheshaha. This sixth case. Adihi Hal Sheshaha Prathama. In this, the Adi Hal is what is left. Anya bhutat hal is dropped. So adi hal shesha. Where? Abhyase. In the abhyasa, this is abhyasa. In this abhyasa, the first hal remains. The other hal goes. Bhakara is one hal and bakara is other hal. Okay? Hal is a consonant. First is bhakara. The second one is a vakara. We will just drop vakara. We have bhu plus bhu plus a. According to the sutra, we will have, I'll copy, I'll write here. According to the sutra, we have bhu plus a. Hal adihi shesha. Adi bhutat hal shishyate. Anyo halaha lipyate. The first hal remains. The other hal gets dropped. Okay? So, at this point, next sutra comes and says hrasvaha. Hrasvaha. This is also prathama. First case. Hrasvaha. Hrasvaha. Hrasvaha means that abhyasa, ach, the ach of the abhyasa will get rasva. Abhyasa, ach gets rasva. Bhu, the abhyasa ach is u, it gets rasva. So, I will have bhu plus a. Bhu plus a. At this point, next sutra comes and says bhavate raha. Bhavatehe aha. This is the next sutra. Bhavatehe aha. Sutra says bhudhatu abhyasa bhudhatu ukara gets akara. The abhyasa part of the bhudhatus ukara gets akara replacement. Bhu ukara will get a akara replacement. So I will write bha plus bhu plus a. Bha bhu a. Okay? Bha bhu a. At this point, there is another sutra which says abhyase charcha. Abhyase charcha. Abhyase charcha. Abhyase charcha. In the abhyasa, char also takes place. In the abhyasa, when abhyasa follows 7, char prathama, char avyaya. So, when abhyasa, the abhyasa anga avayava for the abhyasa, jal, char also takes place. Abhyasa chal gets a char adesha. Not just char adesha, cha and just adesha. Abhyasa jal gets a char and jash. Now what will I bring? Here I have bha. Bha is in jal. Should I bring in char and jash like we had in vavasani? Should I bring both and bring two forms? No, we don't have two forms. We have only one form. So what should I do here? So there the Vrittikaras, they have written, the commentators, they have said that there we have to understand Jhasham, Jash, Khayam, Char. For Jash, Jhal means Jal should be understood as Jash and Khai. This will be replaced with Jash or Char. If it is Jash, then Jash will be the replacement. If it is Khai, Char will be the replacement. That is the idea here. Okay? So, applying this idea, we have Bhu, Bha plus Bha plus Bhu plus Bha is a Jash, fourth. So for that I will bring in the third, which is Ba plus Bhu plus okay. For the fourth character of the Varna, of the Varga, I will bring the third character, Jash's third character. Okay. For the second character of the Varna, I will bring in first character. That is the idea. Fourth will be replaced with the third, and the second will be replaced with the first. That's the idea here. So, fourth is replaced with the same Jati, Varga, third. Ba. Because Tulyasya Prayatnam Savarnam and the similarity, etc. Anudit Savarnasya Cha Pratyaya, etc. So, Tulyasya Prayatnam I have to bring in, and I bring Ba. Bha becomes Ba. I will add Ba, Bhu, Va. This is Prathama Ekavachana. Prathama Purusha Ekavachana of lit. Babhuva. Past. Babhuva. It happened. It existed. It was. So, in that meaning, we have Babhuva. We'll see the other things. Harihi Om.